Hello again and welcome to a Handy Dan home project. Our backyard is a typical AZ yard, full of boring gravel. But it is big, has a nice pool, and great mountain views. So there's lots of potential. So we started on the pool deck colors, tying them into our new furniture choice. Got that pool deck all painted. Then we ordered some wood. A lot of wood. It was just too wide to get through the gate, so the guy went up and over, but he put it right where I wanted it. So we laid out the 2x6 pressure treated lumber. Get an idea of the size of the deck. The deck's going to start over here, go all the way across, all the way over there, almost to that tree. Then out here in the front too. So it's another day here. With the help of my wife Sheena and our friends Kayla and Marcus, we got the frame leveled fast. This big cement slab is going to be extra support. No, really, it was just too big to move. The boards on the patio are leveled and shimmed. So there's a new day. We're starting to lay out the boards to see how this is going to look. Still so much to do. I have to install LED wires as I put the boards down, or I won't be able to get to the wires. So I hold the staple gun, make sure I don't pinch the wires. Maybe I'll use 2 staples to keep this in line. Should be able to reach it when I stick my finger through this hole. Yeah, right. Maybe I'll just push it from the back. Anyway, I'll be able to get to these with a hook as I built the deck. One down, 9 more to go. Okay, we're moving along today, getting more boards laid. So much to do. Whose idea was this? Another day, got some more boards down, starting to work on the angle boards in here. With help from my friend Marcus, we got the rest of that frame done. That was a lot of digging. But just a few more angle boards left to go. Alright, I cut these small boards to get spacing for a smooth curve to match the pool deck. I'm going to take this LED strip light and run it all the way along this curved edge. It's a multicolor flex strip, typical self-adhesive. I'm going to wire it to this low voltage light I ran from a switch inside the house. Okay, so here we got the fascia boards up. They're just butted together, there's no need to miter them. They fit nice and tight. These are raised up off the ground. And over here I've got that curve for the LED light. And these are raised up a little bit for water drainage. And these I painted to match the pool deck color. All the LED wires are soldered and taped up for these little LED light plugs. It runs all the way around the outer edge of the deck. Here I decided to paint the frame of the deck before I got too far along. A little easier to paint without the boards in the way. Painted it the same color as the house. So I got the LED strip light installed. I used a little hot glue to help the adhesive. It goes all the way around this corner, nice and smooth. Runs under the deck here. And I'm going to wire it up and push the slack through the hole. Got a lot more done. Just a few more boards to go. I screw blocks down to the joists and use shims wedged in to keep them straight as I screw them down. And here's the deck all done. Even our dog Bo is checking it out. Took my router and gave it a nice chamfered edge. Goes all the way around. See a nice chamfered edge. Looking great. Here in Arizona, it gets hot, no doubt. Pool was 79. Pool deck's about 110. Gravel, 137, 138. So the raw wood, about 111. Clear varnish, about 115. Gray stain, 130. Black stain, 138. Clear sealer, 115. Reds are 139, 129. Those are pretty hot. Honey teak, 129. Natural oil, 117. Gray paints, 144. 140. 137. Jeez. Raw deck here, 115. Gravel, up in the 130s. So we went with the natural oil. It looks very beautiful. Here it is with the lights on. And we painted the old furniture. Here it is all done. Even the baby quail family loves it. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for the rest of the backyard makeover.